Common admission test, popularly known as CAT, will be held on November 28 in computer-based mode in 3 slots. The exam is a gateway to MBA, PGDM top colleges such as IIMs, FMS, MDI, IITs, SPJIMR, and more. With only a few days left for CAT, candidates are advised to revise the important topics and ensure they have completely prepared the CAT 2021 syllabus. CAT syllabus comprises important topics from 3 sections, namely verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude. Here in this video we provide section-wise CAT syllabus and details on the CAT paper pattern, including the much needed clarity on the reduction in number of questions. The CAT 2021 syllabus provided here has been formulated based on the previous year's CAT question paper and guidance by experts. Now let us dive into the syllabus and all the important topics one must prepare for CAT 2021. CAT syllabus for verbal ability and reading comprehension. Grammar or English usage, meaning usage match, reading comprehension, facts, inferences, judgments, synonyms, antonyms, jumbled paragraph and clause passage, analogies and reverse analogies, verbal logic, fill in the blanks, verbal reasoning, summary questions, one-word substitution. CAT syllabus for data interpretation and logical reasoning, bar graphs and column graphs, caselets and tables, Venn diagrams, combination of 2 or more types linked to each other, line charts and pie chart, calendars, cubes and clocks, number and letter series, binary logic, seeding arrangement, connectives, matching, puzzles, logical sequence, blood relations, syllogisms, coding, decoding. CAT syllabus for quantitative aptitude, LCM and HCF, number systems, speed, time and distance, percentages, profit loss discount, time and work averages, simple and compound interest, quadratic and linear equation, complex numbers, ratio and proportion, logarithm, sequence and series, probability, permutation and combination, set theory, binomial theorem, surds and indices, inequalities, functions and geometry, mixtures and allegations, trigonometry, coordinate geometry and mensuration, partnerships, algebra. CAT exam pattern 2021. As per the recent media reports, the CAT exam pattern is likely to change this year. The number of questions are likely to reduce this year. MP Ram Mohan, convener CAT 2021, says, considering that even last year there could have been a time pressure on students to complete the exam on account of changes made, for CAT 2021 we have reduced the number of questions in all 3 sections. We hope that this will ensure that candidates get adequate time to complete the exam. Based on this, here is the CAT 2021 exam pattern analysis by a team of experts. So in CAT 2019, before the pandemic, the format was 3 CAT sections, each having sectional time limit of 60, and the questions being verbal ability 34, LRDI 32, quantitative 34, hence giving candidates an average of 1.8 minutes per question. In CAT 2020, with questions were reduced to 76 and sectional time limit reduced to 40 minutes, here the pattern was: verbal ability had 26 questions, LRDI 24, quantitative 26. Hence candidates had an average of 1.57 minutes per question. But as the convener has said that we want candidates to have adequate time to solve the paper, and the sectional limit will remain same, that is 40 minutes. This means expected CAT 2021 exam pattern can be: so case 1 is CAT sections will have sectional time limit of 40 and questions verbal ability 22, LRDI 22, quantitative 22. There will be 40 minutes per section and questions can be 22 in each. Hence a total of 66 questions with 1.8 minutes per question. Or case 2, if there will be 40 minutes per section and questions can be 20 in each. Hence a total of 60 questions with 2 minutes per question. Now, should you change your preparation? A big no. Points to be noted. The CAT syllabus is same. Practice CAT mock tests having varied difficulty levels. The link to free CAT mock test is there in the description box. Cover all the important topics from all the 3 sections. Focus equally on all the sections as we do not know yet how many questions will be in each. So all sections have an equal weightage while preparation. Also, most importantly, keep other options open such as IFT, ZAT, MAT, SNAP and MAT and many more, because the end motive is to get into a top MBA college. We hope that this video was helpful and you know what all to prepare and have complete insight into the CAT paper pattern. Don't forget to like and share the video with your fellow CAT aspirants. Subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.